The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I have information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now first things first, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that have been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the entire video will be recorded. The entire video shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went to a premises that is located somewhere in the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in the entire video, I got the understanding that the police had been accused of using pepper spray at the premises while children are at the premises. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. The video also shows at least one person in handcuffs. And according to some more things that I saw and heard in the entire video, I got the understanding that at least two persons had been detained or arrested by law enforcers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting these pieces of videos to you from the entire video is because the entire video is being talked about on social media, and by presenting these pieces of videos to you from the entire video, you might get a good understanding about the whole situation. Yes, may I say? Now, please bear in mind that in these pieces of videos, you can hear a certain amount of harsh language, and you can also hear at least one person yelling and shouting. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
You're not supposed to come in the house. You're not supposed to come in the house. You have warrant. You have warrant. Come to the claim out on to you. Want to feel like you're not dealing with no done? Want to feel? Have your little baby and you spray something on the baby eye.
Well, my people, in my point of view, the entire video shows a tense situation, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, hostile. You see me I say? And based on some things that I saw and heard in the entire video, I think that the necessary authorities should take a look into the whole situation. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, a part of the video shows when a female, who you can see in the screenshot right here, was placed in handcuffs and was placed in a motor vehicle by the police, and somehow the female got out of the motor vehicle and she headed towards a certain direction, and the police went for the female, and the civilians can be seen in the entire video. Viewers and subscribers, and a real, I think that the necessary authorities should look into this whole situation right here. So, and you can let me know what you think based on some things that you saw and heard in those pieces of videos that I presented to you. So, may I say? Yeah, man. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that non-white refugees who had fled from Ukraine had been detained in EU immigration facilities. Non-white refugees. You hear me, viewers and subscribers? I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that non-white refugees who fled Ukraine had been detained in EU immigration facilities. Viewers and subscribers, we are talking about persons trying to get away from a war that's happening in a country. See? After Vladimir Putin or Russia started to invade Ukraine, a lot of people made their way away from that war. See? And it shouldn't matter if a person, black, white, Chinese, or what, if someone is trying to get away from a war. In my point of view, it shouldn't matter which country the person decided to run to. Maybe the person don't even know where the person has run to. But we should try to help each other. And everybody love war. And everybody have the capability to fight war, in viewers and subscribers. See, look for me. If war start in this country that I'm at, me gone, you know. By the way, me not there Jamaica, but you get what me I say. See? Now listen to this now, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Now, in my words, according to a news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that one student said they were stopped by officials as they crossed the border and were given no choice but to sign a document they did not understand before they were taken to the camp or a camp. You hear that, my people? You hear that? Listen to this again now, see? Another part of a news article said that a Nigerian man currently being detained said he was scared. See me I say? Now, I'm not reading exactly word for word from the news article that I'm looking at, you know, see? You see me I say? Another part of the news article said that the Nigerian man said that he was scared about what will happen after being held in the facility for more than 3 weeks. Now, viewers and subscribers, this news article that I'm looking at had been published on the 23rd of March, the year 2022. The news article also gave me the understanding that at least 4 students who had fled Ukraine are being held in a long-term holding facility with little means of communication with the outside world and no legal advice. You hear them things, my people? I tell them, my people, sometimes I wonder what I go on in this world, why certain things happen. Why? What's the sense? What sense does it make for certain things to happen? Sometimes I tell you what I go on, my people, because it's rough out there. Anyways, next topic. Now, I got information that 2 men had been shot and injured at a business establishment that is located on Olympic Way in St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 31st of March, the year 2022. Now, according to reports, it is said that those 2 injured persons was taken to a hospital for medical treatment. Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica are probing, are investigating to see if the double shooting incident that happened on Olympic Way is linked to an incident that happened at McKinley Crescent in St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 29th of March, the year 2022, that claimed the lives of 2 persons and 3 persons had been injured. Now, one of those persons who died as a result of the incident that happened on McKinley Crescent in St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 29th of March, the year 2022, is said to be a musician who goes by the name of Donald Shaw, aka Tabby Diamond or Tabby. He is said to be the lead singer of the group that is known as Mighty Diamonds. See? Yeah. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, just I give you information according to where I got information, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a tank that some persons call a water tank on a motorcycle, and the motorcycle is being driven by a person. See? Now, I cannot confirm if the tank was empty or not. You see me? I cannot confirm if the tank is being used for water or not, no viewers and subscribers. You see me? Because sometimes a person might buy a tank and them use it for other reasons. But the video shows a tank that some persons might call a water tank on a motorcycle, and the motorcycle is being driven by a person. Now, viewers and subscribers, this video is not really a long video, but the video has been talked about on social media, and I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about this video. Alright? Now, please do not try anything that you see in this video, viewers and subscribers. No, please do not try this at home. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
the dog walking in now. Move your pussy clap. What do you do?
Well, like I said, it's not really a long video. It's just a video to let you see something that happened. You understand me? And I think that is dangerous. Highly dangerous. I won't encourage no one to do something like that. No, sir. No, sir. If me not do it, why am I going to encourage someone to do it? No, sir. Nobody not supposed to try that, you see me? So each to them own, and I guess that you have persons who are skilled enough to do certain things, but me still won't encourage anyone to do something like that, alright? Anyways, I am going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Stay safe and walk good.